Thinking about the 2019 Ford F-150? Consider the 2019 Ram 1500. After a grueling 1,300-plus mile performance test, the jurors of Truck Trend chose the all-new 2019 Ram 1500 as the best pickup. Re-engineered from the inside out, this truck was built to set the benchmark for strength, durability, and capability. Designed to be one of the most technologically advanced pickups, the all-new 2019 Ram 1500 integrates state-of-the-art tech, device connectivity, and fourth-generation Uconnect systems for an experience like no other. Whether you're piling in tools or sports equipment, the all-new 2019 Ram 1500 has it covered, with a best-in-class interior storage volume of 151.1 liters, including class-exclusive in-floor storage. That's nearly twice as much interior storage capacity compared to the closest competitor. Our trucks are built for safety and security from the ground up. Whether hauling big loads or transporting precious cargo, you can do it all with the confidence to conquer nearly any terrain. Stop by today to test drive the all-new 2019 Ram 1500.